Bullish Axie value forecast is $18.98 to $67.87. Axie endlessness cost could likewise reach $15 soon. Bearish Axie cost expectation for 2022 is $10.21. In Axie vastness cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Axie boundlessness to dissect the future development of the digital money. Axie boundlessness current market status. The cost of Axie boundlessness is $11.39 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $98,208,747 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, Axie has expanded by almost 5.2% as of now. Besides, Axie endlessness has a circling supply of 102,683,813 Axie. Axie endlessness exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, FTX, Bitham, Coinbase Trade, and KuCoin. What is Axie boundlessness? Axie boundlessness is the administration badge of Axie endlessness, an Ethereum-based play to procure NFT game. Axie was sent off as an ERC20 token in November 2020. Moreover, the token likewise exists as a BEP20 token, viable with the Binance Savvy chain. Axie limitlessness was sent off by the Vietnam put-together Sky Mavis with respect to the Ethereum blockchain in 2018. This P2E NFT game incorporates the Axies, local NFTs, and another administration token, Smooth Love Mixture. By playing this game, clients acquire Axie and SLP tokens and later trade those for other digital currencies. Axie endlessness value forecast 2022.
The above diagram of Axie endlessness spread out the dropping channel, otherwise called the falling channel.
A plunging channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the trade of a negative market. Presently, Axie boundlessness is in the scope of $11.25 assuming the example proceed. The cost of Axie could arrive at the opposition levels of $11.59. $13.16, $15.26, and $17.15. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of Axie might tumble to $10.13.
Axie limitlessness backing and obstruction levels.
The outline underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Axie endlessness. From the above everyday time period, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Axie endlessness. The graphs show that Axie endlessness has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, Axie could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $67.87. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Axie boundlessness could dive to nearly $10.21, a negative sign. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Axie boundlessness is displayed in the outline underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of Axie lies underneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Axie boundlessness is displayed in the diagram above. Outstandingly, Axie boundlessness cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in an upswing. At present, Axie has entered a negative state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Axie whenever. In the interim, the overall strength list of the Axie is 38.66. This implies that Axie limitlessness is in an oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of Axie might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Axie vastness value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Axie vastness. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Axie endlessness. At present, the ADX of Axie lies in the scope of 16.13 and hence, it demonstrates a frail pattern. The above diagram likewise addresses the overall instability record of Axie boundlessness. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Axie lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Axie endlessness is at 38.66 in this manner, affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of Axie boundlessness with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Axie vastness. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of Axie is like BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH builds, the cost of Axie increases. When the cost of BTC and ETH decreases, the cost of Axie diminishes. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Axie Endlessness could likely accomplish $20 by 2023. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Axie Boundlessness could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Axie could mobilize to hit $23 by 2024. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2025. In the event that Axie Limitlessness supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, Axie would energize to hit $26. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Axie Boundlessness supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Axie would revitalize to hit $28. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2027. On the off chance that Axie Limitlessness supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Axie would energize to hit $32. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2028. Axie Limitlessness holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, Axie would hit $34 in 2028. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Axie Endlessness, it would observe significant spikes. Axie could hit $38 by 2029. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2030. With more prominent headways in the essential consideration token ecosystem, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Axie for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, Axie Boundlessness could hit $41 by 2030. And, with constant upgrades in the Axie Limitlessness organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Axie. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Axie Boundlessness in 2022 is $67.87. On the other hand, the negative value expectation of Axie Endlessness cost forecast for 2022 is $10.21. Besides, with the progressions and moves up to the fundamental consideration token environment, the exhibition of Axie would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $164.90 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $15 assuming that the financial backers accept that Axie is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Axie Endlessness? Axie Endlessness is the administration badge of Axie Vastness, an Ethereum-based play to procure NFT game. It exists as an ERC20 and BEP20 token and was sent off in 2018. 2. Where might you at any point buy Axie Limitlessness? Axie Vastness has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, FTX,